What's up, guys? In this video we're going to be making a bottle opener out of this little piece of steel. Let's get started. What the heck were you doing? What the heck were you doing? Hey, go somewhere else. You're gonna get glass in your feet. Let's blow up this next model. If you don't listen to Midlands, you need to start listening to Midlands. They are the greatest.
It's Midland, not Midlands.
I say Midlands. Get on the stage and play ball.
Luke Bryan got nothing on Mark. Oh yeah,
Would you say that?
I did.
I have to agree with you. Get on the stage and play ball. Look at William. The bottle opener's done. So now let's test it out and see if it works. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like it and share it. And then if you have a comment, wondering what we're doing or any questions, comment down below. And we're also having merch, so look in the description and go to our Teespring store to get some of our merch. Thanks. See ya.